Hi everyone, we are from Student DPM and today our group will present a case study from Industrial Relation in Malaysia, which the title is Megatech Manufacturing SDN BHD Company. It based from Chapter 7, which is Industrial Relation under the subject Human Resources Management. Before I start, let me introduce myself first. My name is SUZANA Markus and my metric number is 20DPN24F1068. So, industrial relations are very important in maintaining a healthy and fair relationship between employers and employees. In this presentation, we will discuss the case of Megatech Manufacturing SDN BHD, a company that faced several industrial relation challenges. We will explain the concept of industrial relation, the tripartite system, the type of trade union form, its member, function, industrial action, and method used to solve the dispute. Let's begin with the introduction to the case. This company that faced serious industrial relation issue, which the worker were dissatisfied with their heavy workload and unclear company policies. Their wages increment also did not match the amount of work that they were doing. Because of this, the employees decided to form a trade union called, which is Megatech Workers Union or MTWU. This situation later escalated into picketing and strike threat. Fortunately, the case was handled through Malaysia Industrial Relation System.
My name is CHRISTINA ANNABELLA. My matrix number 20DPM24F1008. Now, I will present about tripartite system in Malaysia Industrial Relations. Malaysia uses a tripartite system to manage industrial relations. This system involves three parties, which is the government, the employers, and the employees of their unions. The government enforces labor laws, provides conciliation, and protects public interests. Employers are responsible for ensuring productivity, setting company policies, and managing the workforce. Employees or their unions represent workers' welfare and negotiate collectively for better conditions. In Megatech's case, the government became a mediator through the conciliation process. This system ensures that decisions are fair and balanced for both sides. Next, I will present about type of trade union formed by Megatech employees. The workers at Megatech established an in-house trade union called the Megatech Workers Union, which is MTWU. This union was formed because of dissatisfaction with heavy workload, low pay increment, and weak company policies. Since it is an in-house union, it focuses only on issues within the company itself. This makes it more targeted and effective when addressing specific employee concerns. The union helps workers unite and voice their issues collectively to management. Members eligible to join MTWU. Members who can join MTWU can include all non-management staff such as machine operators, technicians, production staff, and clerical or administrative workers. These are the employees who experience the workload and salaries issues mentioned in the case. However, managers, supervisors, and HR or confidentially staff are not eligible to join because they represent the employee's side or handle sensitive information. The union's membership follows the guidelines stated under Malaysia's Trade Union Act.
Hi, my name is Erika UNDU Anayata. My matrix number is 20DPM23F2047. The trade union serve several purposes. First, as conducts collective bargaining in order to negotiate pay, workload, and working hours. Second, is safeguard worker from unfair treatment, discrimination, or sudden change in policy. Third is it improve the working environment and provide safety with clear company procedure. The union also provide representation in dispute with management besides educating workers about their right and labor law. As a result of this, Megatech workers gain many benefits. First is a clear and fair salary structure, stronger voice when dealing with the management, and better protection against unfair action. Workers also became less afraid to raise complaints, and communication with management became more transparent through the union. Industrial action workers might consider. During the conflict, the workers carry out picketing to show their dissatisfaction peaceful. They also threatened to go on strike if their concerns were ignored. Other possible action include work to rule, where employees follow their job description strictly, go slow, where productivity is intentionally reduced, and overtime bans where workers refuse to work extra hours. This type of industrial action are meant to pressure the management to take negotiation seriously.
Hello everyone, my name is ANNABELLA VANNESA and my matrix number is 20DPM24F1083 and I'm from class DPM3A. So these are the methods to solve industrial disputes. There are 4 main methods to solve industrial dispute in Malaysia. The first is direct negotiation, where the employer and the union meet to discuss issue openly. The second is conciliation, where a government official helps both parties to reach an agreement. And this was the method used in the Megatech case. The third is mediation, where a neutral third party suggests the possible solution. The last is arbitration, where the industrial court makes a binding decision if other methods fails. These methods ensure the disputes and fairly and prevent long-term conflict between employers and workers. In conclusion, industrial relations play an important role in maintaining harmony and productivity in the workplace. Trade unions help protect the rights and welfare of employees. Effective communication and negotiation can prevent conflict from escalating. The Megatech case shows that cooperation between employers, employees, and the government is the key to solving disputes and achieving fairness at work.